Capricorn yearly forecast around family. As it is with all your close relationships, your family members would love to see more of you, Capricorn. While you may see yourself as being very close and involved in the lives of your loved ones, they all crave more of you, in person and in communication in general. You're capable of having long distance relationships with even those who live nearby. You are keen on communicating in fast ways, such as through texting, rather than taking time away from your workday to sit down with someone and share a coffee or an iced tea. You take shortcuts with the family that you would never take with your work. This year, you are coming closer to being more capable of separating your family relationships and friendships from your work, and that's a huge step for you. They may even be the talk of a family business year, with you being at the center of it. Although this could bring a lot of aggravation into your life, it could also be quite fulfilling and reaffirming for some of your strongest and best relationships.